Okay, you guys, I have a bunch of boxes that need to be opened because it's getting to the end of the month and I haven't unboxed them yet, and I don't think I'm gonna be able to do every single one of these for an individual video. So I thought, why not go ahead and just do them all in one video. I have my Allure box, I have some stuff from Influenster, Boxycharm, Rookie's Cold Crushes, so I just wanted to open these for you guys, let you know what was inside them, and yeah, that's about it. I'll also have all the information for each box listed down below in the description bar, so if you want to check out those, see exact prices and all the products and the boxes, I'll go ahead and leave those down below. If you guys are new, hey, my name's Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also ring your notification bell so you guys are notified for all my future videos. If you guys want to crack on into these boxes with me, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with Allure. Allure is a $15 a month subscription service, and then I think that you have to pay some tax with it too, so I think mine comes out to like 16 something every single month. Don't mind my hair today, it's a bit of a mess. They always come with a little pamphlet with your items inside. It looks like there's a coupon. This is $20 towards your next full price order on baublebar.com. I'm assuming it's a clothing place, but I've never heard of that before. Here is this month's box. I'm just gonna grab the first thing that I'm seeing on top. This is the Feel Harmony Rose Petal Face Mask. Full size value retails for $55. It has aloe, vitamin E, it smells like roses. It leaves your skin brighter over time thanks to vitamin C and noticeably smoother immediately thanks to hydrating glycerin. So it sounds like a hydrating, brightening mask, which is good for me because I am dry. I'm dry, like crazy dry. This is actually, I think, sounds pretty fun, and I do like that it has this little cap that you can put on top. The next thing I'm grabbing is the Sunday Riley Luna. It is a retinol sleeping night oil. Ooh, and it's like blue. It does have a pretty like oily smell, if that makes any sense at all. But it says that it works throughout the night to deliver visibly more youthful, luminous, even-toned skin in the morning. It reduces the appearance of pores and wrinkles while visibly improving 5 signs of premature aging: fine lines, uneven texture, age spots, dryness, and dullness. I don't have a lot of face oils, so you know, I'm not mad at this at all, and it is a pretty decently sized sample. I would say I could definitely get several uses out of those. I don't go through oils very fast. So the full size of this retails for $105. That's a lot of money. So I'm guessing that this little sample is a pretty penny. So, you know, I'm not mad at it. I hear a lot of good things about Sunday Riley, so I'm excited to try this out. The next thing I'm pulling out, this is the Derma-E Essentials Sun Protection Mineral Powder. It has an SPF of 30 in it. Okay, so it's a little powder that looks like that. You apply it with a brush liberally and evenly to face, neck, and décolleté. The full size of this retails for $21.95. It's good for setting makeup and preventing shine on scorching days when you feel like you're going to melt. I feel like that every single day in the summer of Arizona. So, it says it's not supposed to make your skin look dull or matte in the process, plus it's got all natural SPF 30, so it adds extra protection on top of your usual sunscreen. Oh geez. Yeah, well that didn't work very well. Whoa. That is really soft. It is really finely milled. It does feel really nice, so I'm excited to try this out. The next thing is this Ouai Haircare. It's a leave-in conditioner. It says it's a multitasking leave-in mist that works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair. Ooh, and it smells pretty good too. I actually really like that. So I am always looking for some good hair care products. I hear a lot of good things about Ouai. I think I've tried one thing of theirs like a year ago, so it's been a really long time, and I remember liking it, so I am excited to try this. The full size is $26, so it's definitely not a cheap leave-in conditioner, but I feel like this is a pretty decently sized sample of it, so I can definitely get several uses out of this. I feel like something this size will take me quite a while to go through, at least a month or so. So I think this is really fun. The next thing that I'm actually really excited for, this is the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil. These are their new multi-use pencils that you can use for your eyes, your lips, basically anything that you want to use it for, you can. I got mine in the shade 714 Full Red, which is different for me because I don't wear a lot of red. So I'm gonna have to now that I have this. And there it is swatched on the back of my hand. It's not super creamy, but it does glide on there pretty well. There is the color. It's not a bad red at all. I actually feel like it's kind of like a deeper red, not something that's super bright, so I feel like I could probably wear it and be okay. The full size retail on these are $18. The next thing I got, I feel like I got a lot of stuff in this month's box, which I'm okay with. So the next thing I got, this is the, I never know how to say this brand, the Doucce, doesn't sound right. So I'm gonna go with Doucce. This is a ultra precision eyeliner in blue. And this does look like it's a full size product, which I'm okay with as well. Ooh, that one's really creamy. Do you see how blue that is? That is so pretty. I'm really excited for that. I feel like this would be really nice to place all over your lids as a good base for a really pretty blue, or you can pop it in your waterline. I'm excited. So this retails for $22. So already this little product covers the amount that you paid for the box. So I think that's really awesome. The next thing I got, this is the Organic Pharmacy Antioxidant Lip Balm. It has shea butter and rosehip to keep lips soft. Ooh, that smells really good. It smells like oranges. Yeah, this smells like oranges, so I know I am going to be liking that. And it's just kind of like a Vaseline kind of texture. I'm good with this. And I want to say that this is full size. I mean, it does look pretty big, and it says that it retails for $21.50. And the last thing on here, this is the Olay Regenerist Whip. It's an active moisturizer. So it's just this little jar, which I think is really cute. It doesn't have a bad smell at all either. It just kind of reminds me of shampoo and conditioner, honestly. And I'm pretty sure this is a bonus item because, I mean, it's on the back of the pamphlet, but there's nothing inside of the pamphlet that talks about this. So it diminishes the look of fine lines and wrinkles. It hydrates to improve elasticity and firm skin for a lifted look. So that's pretty fun. I think that the packaging is really nice. I think that you do get quite a good amount of product in there, so you can really test it out to see if that you can like it. If there's one thing that bothers me about subscription boxes is when they send you the teeny tiny little tubes, and so you're really not going to be able to tell if you like something or not. So this month I got 8 products, which is awesome. I am super excited for this month's Allure box. I think that they absolutely killed it. They gave a good variety, some makeup, some skincare, some lip care. You know, I am actually all for it. So I really enjoyed this month's box. So I'm going to move on to a couple quick things that I got from Influenster. This one, this is the Bare Minerals Made to Match foundation. They didn't send it to me, but they did give me a coupon to receive it for free. I downloaded the Bare Minerals Made to Match app that they have. It's supposed to be your absolute perfect shade. You scan your skin, your wrists, your face, your forehead, you know, all of that to make your perfect match, which I think is really cool. So here it is inside of there. I'm gonna do a video with this so that you guys can see if it is my exact perfect match or not. So I am excited for that. The other thing that they sent me is this Makeup Vox box. And inside, I got a Benefit item, which I was really excited for because I haven't tried any of Benefit's brow pencils. If you don't know anything about Influenster, anybody can use it. You just download the app, you review products, answer questions, that kind of thing. And if they choose you, they'll send you stuff. So I've gotten several things for free from them before. So this is the Precisely My Brow from Benefit, and it's a new shade. It's in 4.5. It's a neutral medium to dark brown. I hear a lot of people really raving about this pencil, and I've never tried it, so I'm really excited to see if I like it or not. I'm just gonna do a little swatch, sort of. It's not super creamy. I'm kind of having to press down, but there's the color right there. I just like my brows on the cooler side. The fact that it's a neutral brown really excites me. So I'm super excited to try this. All right, let's jump on into Boxycharm. Boxycharm is $21 a month. It sends you 4 to 5 full-size beauty items every single month. Boxycharm is by far my favorite subscription box. it's just the products that they send you. You get the most value for what you're paying. A lot of times you get boxes that are, you know, well over $100, even close to $200, and you're only paying $21. So I'm gonna say dollars a lot, and I feel like I'm out of breath and I'm talking a lot. I just need to slow it down. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up this month's box. So I have a little pamphlet with everything inside, a couple coupons on the back that I will list down below. So opening it on up, here is this month's box. So the first thing that I'm gonna pull off, this is the Tarte Ready Scent Radiant Skin Mist. It retails for $25, so this alone has already paid for the price of the box. It gives your skin a glow. It's a cucumber fruit and plant extract skin tonic. It's not sticky. It delivers a radiant, dewy finish for lit from within luminosity. It refreshes dull, tired, or sluggish feeling skin throughout the day. It does smell very good, very cucumbery, but I don't mind it. I actually really enjoy that. Next thing I'm pulling out, this is the Wonder Beauty Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara. I've seen a couple people talk about this, and I don't really remember if people are liking it or not, but it does retail for $24. I'm not going to open it because I don't like opening a whole bunch of mascaras when I'm already using one. I just don't, it just makes it go bad faster, so I'm not going to open this. But it's just a mascara. Mascara and boxes to me are just kind of like whatever. The next thing, this is the Cella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. So you got your pomade in one side. This is actually kind of like the product that I just received in JULEP. I'll go ahead and link that up above if you want to check that out, but it's basically the same thing. This is, it retails for $26, and it says that it's an eyebrow cream that effortlessly defines and shapes your eyebrows with its creamy consistency and built-in brush. So yeah, it's just basically like a pomade. We'll do a little swatch next to the Precisely My Brow. And they are pretty similar colors too. I would say that this one is a bit more cool tone. And I'm actually not opposed to these products at all either. I think that I actually really like pomades. I just don't have them, so I haven't used them. But I'm actually excited to give this a try out. Next thing is this Note Luminous Silk Compact blush. I got mine in the shade Desert Rose, and this does retail for $11.99. Ooh, so it looks like this. This is actually a really pretty peachy kind of color. For whatever reason, I'm super into like the peachy eyes and corally eyes. That's what I got going on today. And I think that this would actually look really, really pretty with it. I am excited for this. And the last thing in the box is the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. We do get quite a bit of Dr. Brandt's products in Boxycharm, which is really nice because this retails for $42, which is crazy expensive in my opinion. The last Dr. Brandt product that we got, it was like the Pore Vacuum Cleaner. I used that and my skin turned really red and puffy, and I don't know why, so I'm a little nervous to try more of his products, but I saw Kathleen Lights try it and she thought it was fine, so I'll probably go ahead and give this a try out, see if it helps with my puffy eyes because I hardly sleep. My total value for this month's box was $128.99, which again is such an amazing value for the fact that you're only paying $21. For this box specifically, I mean last month's box was absolutely amazing. If you want to check it out, I'll go ahead and link it up in the cards right here, but I feel like it was really hard to beat, so going from last month to this month is just kind of like a letdown for me. I think that the products are good, but there's nothing that's really just like wowing me and throwing me over the edge, you know what I mean? So still good. I think I'm mostly excited for the Tarte product and for the blush. Other than that, everything else is just kind of like whatever in my opinion. Let's jump into the Ricky's Cult Crushes box. This box is $14 a month. I don't think that you have to pay shipping, so it's just a flat $14. This is my third box I think, and I actually canceled. I just haven't been super impressed with it. I know I didn't give it that much a chance, but I also needed to cut down on my boxes because it was becoming too much money. So this is one that I thought that I could do without, but I want to go ahead and jump on into the box and show you what I got. So it comes with this little card that tells you about the products. The only thing, it doesn't tell you the prices of the products, which I think is annoying, so I always have to go through and find the prices on my own. I mean, which isn't hard, but it just takes extra time. The first thing I'm gonna pull out, this is the Glamazon Beauty Cream Highlighter. This box has actually been sitting in my car for a couple of days. Actually more like a week or 2 weeks. So hopefully this doesn't melt or isn't melted. This is in the shade Amber Lights. So here it is right here. I'm gonna go do a little swatch. It does feel like a cream. There's the swatch on my finger. It actually looks really pretty. And the swatch on my arm. I don't know how well you guys can see this. Matches my skin pretty well. I don't know, you can't, after I blend it in, you can't really tell very much. I mean, you can kind of see it on my finger, but I think that it would be really pretty on my cheeks, dabbing it with a beauty blender and then adding a highlight on top of it. It's just adding like a really pretty gloss to my wrist. You can't really tell, it's like not picking up on camera, but it's actually really pretty and I feel like it matches my skin tone really well. So I'm actually not mad about this. The next thing, this is the LA Splash Cosmetics Vanishing Potion. It's a waterproof makeup remover. It's interesting packaging. So this is the Dose of Rose. It does smell really, really rosy, which I'm not a huge fan of. I don't know, I just don't really like that smell, but try it out, throw it on like a cotton pad, and I don't know, I feel like the smell might throw me off. The next thing is this Ricky's Care Travel Cleansing Wipes. So it's a 10-pack of cleansing wipes, which is really nice because I can throw them in a bag when I'm traveling. I'm actually going out of town next week for the week, so this would actually be a good little travel-friendly makeup wipe thing to take with me. And then I have the Bat Those Lashes Volumizing Lash Serum. Lash thickener and makes your lashes softer. I guess it's just, you know, it's just one of those lash serums that you apply at the top of your lashes to make them grow. So here it is right here. A pretty big box for just this little thing. But so yeah, it is just a lash serum, just with the little brush on it like that. I'm sure that it takes a little while to see results. I've never used anything like this, so I don't know how long it takes to see any kind of results with it, but I'm excited to try it out. If it gives me thicker lashes, that'd be nice, because my lashes are definitely not thick. I wish they were, but maybe this will help them out a little bit. And the last thing is from LA Splash, the Wickedly Divine Liquid Lipstick. I actually got this in my very first box, I think, as like a makeup item because they were having an issue last month. And I feel like it's the same color in Death Dealer. This is the one I got last time in Kiss of Death. This one is Death Dealer. It looks purple. And you know what, I'm not gonna open this. I'm going to set it aside. Maybe one of you guys want it. If you want me to throw it in a giveaway, let me know. It's just not my color. It's not something I'd wear. So I think I'm going to throw it in there. And that's everything. That is all of my monthly boxes that I've gotten, besides my JULEP one that I did a separate video on. Again, I'll link that up above if you want to check it out. But I just wanted to do all of these in one video so that I wasn't unboxing these in August when they were July's boxes. So let me know what you guys think of the boxes. Again, I'll have any coupon codes that come with these and the links for all of everything down in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you next time. Bye.